Okay, so this is the US Jetting HATZ Keybox version control panel. This will be on all non-remote units going from 2025 and up. All right, so if you got a 2025 machine and newer, this is and non-remote, this will be the control box that you will have. And we're just gonna do a quick overview of how to, a quick run through of how to operate the control box. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the key to the on position. Once you got the key into the on position, this screen is gonna come on. It's gonna have all your digital gauging as far as oil pressure, battery voltage, coolest temperature, and all that. If you wanna start the machine, you're gonna hit this run button here, and you're gonna hit it and hold it. So we're gonna hit it and hold it. That's gonna crank my machine and turn my machine on. And then this valve will turn my water on and off. If I wanna stop the machine, I'm gonna hit this off button here, and that will cut my machine off. If I want to pressure up, I'm gonna hit this rabbit, and I'm gonna hold the rabbit until I get to my desired pressure, and then I can let it go. And then decreasing will be the turtle, and then it's gonna drop down, and once you get to your desired pressure, let it go. And then once you wanna cut it off, you're just gonna come back here and you're gonna hit the off button. Now, if you have anything going on within the system or the engine, it's gonna flash a warning light here. Once that warning light flash, what you're gonna wanna do is hit this menu button right here. You're gonna hit the menu button, and then you wanna go to the active fault screen. Once you go to the active fault screen, you're gonna hit the enter arrow, and then it's gonna list your active faults. So as of right now, on this particular one, we have no active faults, but if we did, it'll list it right here in this screen. And to get back to the home screen, you're just gonna hit this button here, and then it'll get you back to the home screen.